evidence that are glitter bomb?
No.
Except for that glitter bomb being cesium instead.
Right.
All right, let's see.
Is it selenium?
Is it these? Yeah, it's something there.
All right, let's find out.
Just one switch. This is 3. The whole point of patents is so that once they expire, the intellectual property can be used by others.
Which is not what they're used for today.
That's the concept. That's why when you file a patent, you need to give enough information so that somebody that is adept in the art can reproduce it.
I think they
It's a
did.
requirement.
They don't. They didn't specify. They just didn't specify what types of materials they use. Like they said, a insulating material, a conducting material. You know,
Okay.
the patent was pretty vague on the material, but it very well